Hello everyone, so in this video I'll tell you how to manually make your avatar. So you go to your WhatsApp message section, you click on avatar and get started to make your avatar, right? You click on that get started and you choose the option of creating your avatar. So I created before using my selfie, but let's now do it manually. So my avatar is already there as I used my selfie. Now I will be changing it manually because I want some changes, so why not? So I select body type, and what else you can do is according to what you want to change, you can select like it is this one is body shape, you can select nose type, skin color, everything. So we will explore it together, right? So you select any one of it, save and continue. And now see, there are options: style, hair, makeup, face, body, and under that there are more sub options which will provide you variety of things, right? So for our style we have these tops, bottoms, shoes, outfits, dresses, right? So you can slide it up and check it out what your avatar should wear. Here comes the outfit already designed with upper, lower, and the shoes. Right, so this is soldier one. So these are some free. You will also have options of some paid ones, but go for the free if you want, or if you want some paid, so why not? Right, it is a choice, of course. Then you have dresses, one piece, headwear. Now enjoy making yours and see you in the next video.